Hello everybody, today we'll continue with our SMD microsoldering training course and we'll learn how to solder like a pro the integrated circuits. To solder and integrate circuits professionally, we have to take into account these two aspects. First of all, it's very important to work on a very clean surface of the motherboard, with no solder lead residuum or any dirt. It must have a very flat surface because in this way the integrated circuits sit straight. In the second place, you need to use a very good flux and to have a constant temperature. In these cases, when the motherboard is scratched, you have to cover it well so the balls don't come together. And you always have to use UV mask. In the market, there are UV masks of different colors, but no matter what color you buy, the function is the same. To apply this UV mask well, we are going to use a syringe needle. Remember that the success of this repair consists of a completely clean surface. In the future classes, I'm going to teach you how to do it because my intention is that at the end of this course you'll be a better technician than at the beginning. You just have to sustain our videos with a big like. Now it's time to treat the UV mask with the help of an ultraviolet flashlight. We've got this area repaired in less than 2 minutes. As usually, check out the links in the description of this video, and if you need any help with anything, let your comment below. This is the surface we have worked on. As you can see, it can hardly be differentiated. Let's take a closer look at the work done. We continue with our process to solder the integrated circuits. To improve the soldering, we apply a little heat to this area and we apply flux. It's time to position the integrated circuit. This notch is the pin number 1 of the circuit and indicates how to correctly position the circuit, because each one has a specific position. And how can we know the exact position of each circuit? For that, we use the schematics, because we have to respect the position. We hold the circuit and during 5 seconds we apply 380 Celsius degrees so we can catch the motherboard. Now we apply 380 Celsius degrees and 50% air until the circuit settles on its own. We have been able to observe how the circuit has searched the correct position. When the solder lid melts, the circuit is soldered. If you have any doubt that it has not been soldered well, you can push it with the help of the tweezer. If the circuit returns to its starting position, then it's soldered. Hopefully this is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.